On the day I got the keys to my new house, my family made an excuse and went to my cousin's celebration party instead. I stayed silent. 2 weeks later at a family gathering I played a video, and a silence fell over the room that never broke. The day I got the keys to my new house, something small went wrong. No noise. No drama. Just absence. I was standing outside the townhouse. Fresh paint, a clean driveway, and a welcome home mat at the door like something staged for a listing. I checked my phone again. No messages. No "we're on the way." No "we're proud of you." Just a text from my mom, sent half an hour earlier. Something came up. "Your cousin's celebration is today. We'll see the house later." I read it again. Then once more. Inside the house was quiet. The kind of quiet that didn't belong to a day like that. I walked through each room slowly. The kitchen. The living room. Upstairs, the bedroom with a window facing the street. Everything was new. I set the keys down on the counter and stood there a moment longer than I needed to. Then I gave a small nod. That was their move. I didn't call. I didn't ask. I didn't react. I just started unpacking. 2 weeks is enough time. When you stay quiet, people build their own version of the story. By the time Thanksgiving rolled around, everything looked normal from the outside. My cousin's success had turned into a full family narrative. Promotion, bonus, Instagram posts about hard work paying off. My absence? Easily explained. She's busy. She's settling in. No one mentioned the house. No one asked to see it. And I didn't offer. Work stayed the same. Same desk. Same fluorescent lights. Same conversations about 401k contributions, bills, rising costs. "Did you max your match this year?" a coworker asked. "Yeah," I said. "I always take care of what matters. I just don't announce it." At night I worked on something else. No emotion. No rush. Just calculation. I pulled records. Reviewed files. Built a timeline. Everything legal. Everything clean. People forget how much of their lives live on paper. And on video. Especially video. The day I found it, I didn't react. I just watched. Then watched again. Then saved it. That's when the game changed. 2 weeks later we had a family dinner. Big suburban house. Everything in place. The smell of food, the hum of voices. Everyone was there. My cousin glowing. My mom busy. My dad quiet. "You made it," my cousin said. "Yeah," I replied. "Thought I'd stop by." Short. Clean. I sat. Listened. Watched. The conversation moved. Jobs, money, loans, refinancing. Normal. Perfect. False. Halfway through dinner my aunt clapped her hands. "Let's move to the living room. We're doing a slideshow." Of course. We all moved. The screen lit up. Photos played. My cousin smiling. Celebrating. Being praised. Applause filled the room. My mom's eyes softened. "She's done so well." I waited. Timing matters more than truth. When the room relaxed, when people shifted, stood, started talking, I spoke. I brought something too. My voice was soft. But enough. My dad looked at me. "What is it?" "A video," I said. I connected my phone to the TV. The screen went black. Then it played. A parking lot. Night. 2 people. My cousin. And her manager. Standing too close. Their voices clear enough. "I told you," he said with a low laugh. "I'd take care of that promotion." She smiled. Not surprised. Like it had always been part of the plan. The room didn't react right away. It took a second. Then another. Then silence. Heavy. Complete. I didn't look at anyone. I didn't need to. The video finished. I disconnected my phone. No explanation. No speech. My aunt's voice broke first. "What is this?" No one answered. My cousin said nothing. She couldn't. My mom turned toward me slowly. "Why would you show that?" I met her eyes. "You like celebrating success, don't you?" Silence. My dad exhaled quietly. Someone in the back whispered, "Is this real?" No one denied it. Truth doesn't need much help once it lands. I set the remote on the table. "I got my house keys 2 weeks ago," I said. That mattered too. No accusation. Just fact. I picked up my coat. No one stopped me. Because now they understood. This wasn't an argument. It was a move. Outside the air felt sharper. Cleaner. I sat in my car for a moment before starting it. Then I drove home. My home. When I stepped inside, the silence was still there. But now it felt whole. I placed the keys back on the counter. Everything had changed. Some games aren't won with noise. Just one move. At the right time. And after that, you don't need to say anything at all. If this story made you feel something, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support truly means a lot and helps more stories like this reach others. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay with us for more real, powerful stories that stay with you long after they're over.